Mga negosyentes, na-miss ko kayo. Kaya, ito, update lang ako. I recently traveled to the beautiful city of Sydney, Australia to attend the 20th Annual Filipino Leadership Global Summit and Gala. It was an inspiring event that brought together powerful Filipino leaders from around the world. Napaka-inspiring ng mga speakers at napakaraming kwento ng tagumpay ang nagbigay sa akin ng bagong lakas para ipagpatuloy ang ating advokasya para sa mga kababaihan at negosyo.
You're not ready. Are you ready? Are you okay? You can dance. You can join. Having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl. Watch that taking the dancing queen. No one's gonna take you down. Oh yes, I was, but it's just the whole thing. We're inside this boat, and behind me is the famous, iconic, the beautiful Harbour Bridge here in Sydney, Australia.
Sa gabi ng gala, kitang-kitang ating kultura at ang galing ng mga Pinay. It was a proud moment for all of us. Isa ito sa patunay na ang talento at liderato ng Pilipina ay kinikilala sa buong mundo. Of course, while I was here, I couldn't miss out on Sydney's iconic sights. From the stunning architecture of the Sydney Opera House to the majestic Harbour Bridge at ang magagandang beaches. Ang Sydney is filled with breathtaking places. Salamat sa mga kaibigan na nagbigay ng panahon at oras to bring us around the city. Masayang kwentuhan at tawanan. Masarap na kainan. Sino ba naman ang hindi mag-e-enjoy? My trip to Sydney is truly unforgettable. From connecting with amazing Filipino leaders to exploring the city's incredible sights and reuniting with a dear friend and meeting new friends, I'm taking home many memories and a renewed sense of purpose and pride. Thank you, Sydney, for the inspiration. And thank you, Negosyante community, for joining me on this journey.
Like, subscribe, Negosyante. Please like, subscribe, share.
Negosyante!